Hi, and welcome to this safeMedicate video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to view your results and feedback. Okay, let's jump straight in and open the My Record tab at the top of the homepage. To access your assessment results and feedback, click directly over the chosen assessment in the Assessment History list, which is found underneath the Practice Your Skills section. From here, an assessment summary screen is shown which provides you with a total score and an overview of every question, showing how each element, so that being conceptual, calculation and technical measurement, has been marked. Note that alongside each question number are these colour-coded blocks that relate to the problem's domain. A key for these can be found just here at the bottom of the assessment summary page. Next, if you hover your mouse directly over a row to highlight a particular question and click, you will then have access to more detailed feedback. The example on screen illustrates the typical feedback format for an Essential Skills ADA injections question, but note that the feedback format for other medication domains like tablets and capsules, liquid medicines and IVs will follow a similar format. As you can see, there are three main components to the feedback for each question. The top portion of the screen represents the key elements of the problem. So in this example, the prescribed dose and the medication container label show the dispensed dose and quantity/volume that this is contained in. The middle section of the screen shows the correct answer to the problem. It also includes the problem setup, whether that's of the conceptual, calculation and technical measurement components. The lower portion of the screen shows your answers to the problem and affords a discrete comparison with that of the correct solution above. For illustrative purposes, the components of the answer have been highlighted to show how they relate to the components of the competence model. If you have used a calculator to solve the problem, keystrokes will be recorded in the calculator feedback section of the screen, which is this orange section. That's it for now, and thank you again for taking the time to watch this tutorial.